Good evening, children. Welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, this is Unit 2 Force and Motion. Okay, already we have discussed, children, stability. Okay, there are stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. There are three types of stability, children. Today we are going to learn the conditions for stability. Already we have discussed. So these are all the best example of a condition for stability, children. See the Tanjavur doll. See the picture. It's very beautiful picture, you know. Yes. So this is one type of traditional toy made in Tanjavur. Already you know. From terracotta material. Okay. This is made up of what material, children? Terracotta material. Here the center of gravity and the total weight of the doll. Okay, see the circle, see the bottom of the circle, children. The total center of gravity and the total weight of the doll is concentrated at its bottom, most to the point. You see the bottom, children? Yeah, this is the bottom. And generating a dance like continuous movement with slow oscillation. Okay, you know, children, this is the best example for center of gravity. And now let's see the real life applications for center of gravity. So in our day-to-day life we have to use the center of gravity, children. So it is for the reason for stability. That means luggage, you take a luggage compartment of tour bus is located at the bottom and not on the roof. Okay, so you see the extra passengers, okay, are not allowed on the upper deck of the crowded double decker bus. That is the main reason, children. And you see the racing car. Yeah, how many of you see the racing cars? Yeah, or built low and broad for stability. That is the main reason. And you see the table lamps, okay, and fans or design with large heavy bases to make them stable. You see the fan, children, yes or no? Yeah, you see the head. Yeah, that is the center of gravity. Okay, the base is very very strong. That is the main reason the others will be rotating the fast. Okay, fine. Understood, children? Okay, the lesson over. See the science today, children. So typical speeds. What are the, you take anything, okay? So what are the speed you have to measure? First, you see the tortoise. So tortoise speed 0.1 meter by second. Okay, sometimes, so these are all asking the 1 mark questions, children. So, okay, learn this points thoroughly, children. Typical speeds. And here the person walking 1.4 meter by second and falling raindrops 9 to 10 meter by second. You see the cat running, okay, 14 meter by second. And cycling 20 to 25 kilometer by hour. Yes. And cheetah running, you know. How many of you see the cheetah? Yeah, all of you I think see the cheetah. Yeah, in your Discovery Channel. 31 meter by second. So bowling speed of fast bowlers. Yeah, cricket. So 90 to 100 miles per hour. And badminton smash 80 to 90 meter by second. Next one is passengers jet. Okay, that is 180 meter by second. This is clear to you, children? Yeah. So this lesson over, children. Now let's move for the numerical problems. Okay, and turn your books, children. Okay, children, see the numerical problems, Roman letter 8. Already I'll give you all the 1 marks, children. Yeah, choose, fill in the blanks, match, analogy, everything I'll give you. And short answers and detailed answers also I'll give you, children. So numerical problems already I'll give you. Yes, children, see the first problem, numerical problems. Okay, this is a very important 3 problems, children. Yeah, first and second and third. Okay, sometimes asking this question answers only in 5 mark. Okay, so concentrate this numerical problems, children. Practice in your home. And see the first question. Gita takes 15 minutes. So time is given 15 minutes from her house to reach her school on a bicycle. If the bicycle has speed 2 meter by seconds. So speed also given 2 meter by second. Calculate the distance between her house and the school. Okay. And first you have to calculate the distance. You know children, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. But time is given only in minutes. So you have to change the seconds, okay? And you see 15 into multiplication of seconds, 60 seconds. Okay, 15 into 60. Why your multiplication of 60 children? Because of the reason time is only given in minutes. So you have to change the seconds. That is the reason you have to multiplication of 60. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That is the main reason you have to multiplication of 60. So 15 into 60 is equal to 900 second. So time you get time the children 900, okay, seconds. Speed is given 2 meter by second. Distance is asking the questions. You know the formula for distance children, speed multiplication of time. This is the formula for distance. Okay, so speed is already 2 multiplication of time. You have to calculate now 900. Okay, 2 into 900. So multiplication of 2 into 900, how much children? Yeah, 1800. 1800. Okay, so the distance SI unit is meter. So the distance between her house and the school is what? 1800 meter. This is clear to you children? Yes, first problem over. Any doubt? No. Okay, fine. Next move for the second problem. Okay, all of you can take your classwork children. Okay children, see the second problem. A car started from rest and traveling with a velocity, okay, 20 meter by second in 10 meter by second. So time is given 20 meter by second and in 10 seconds. Okay, time is given and speed velocity also given. So what is its acceleration? Children, the car is starting from rest. So rest means what? Initial position is 0. Okay, initial velocity of the car u. You know the formula for acceleration children already? Yes. So what is your acceleration children? A is equal to v minus u divided by t. So initial velocity u is equal to 0. In rest means 0. So 0 not given, but that is the word is given children. Rest means 0 by 0 meter by seconds because the car is at rest. So final velocity v is given 20 meter by second velocity. So time is already given 10 seconds. What is their acceleration? The formula v minus u divided by t. So what is the value of v? 20 minus u value 0 divided by 10. 20 minus 0, 20 divided by 10. So have to cancel 10, 20 two times. So the acceleration of the car is what? 2. The SI unit of acceleration is meter by second square. Meter by second square. This is clear to you children? Yeah. It's very important third problem children. A bus can accelerate with an acceleration 1 meter by second square. Okay, acceleration SI unit meter by second square. And find the minimum of the bus to reach the speed 100 kilometers by second from 50 kilometer by seconds. So the time is given, 2 time is given, okay, and acceleration is only 1. So you have to write the given things. Acceleration of the bus A. So what is the given children? 1 meter by second square acceleration given. Initial velocity u. U is how much given? 50 kilometer by second. Yes, 50 into kilo. The value of kilo children? K. Yes. You see the value of kilo children? Yes. So here kilo means what? Here you see the kilo. Okay, kilo means what? Yes, 10 power 3 meter by second. Kilo means 10 power 3. That means 1000. Kilo means 1000. 10 power 3 meter by second. And you write the final velocity 100 kilometer by second. So 100 into kilo means already 10 power 3 meter by second. Okay, you don't change the meter by second. So kilo only have to put the values. This is clear to you children? Yeah. So what is your question children? Find the minimum time. Time is asking the questions. The acceleration formula children. See here. See this column. See here. Yeah. A is equal to V minus U divided by T. This is the formula. So you have to change the T. Okay. This is your time is given. Yes or no? Yes. T is equal to V minus U. So the A is here and T also moving here. This is clear to you. So T is equal to V minus U cross multiplication. V minus U divided by A. Okay, fine. So what is the formula for T here, children? T is not a direct formula, children. You know the acceleration formula, convert the, and finally you get the time formula. Okay, T is equal to V minus U divided by A. So is equal to V, you know, already you have to substitute the values. Okay, finally you see here, yes. So here V minus U, V value 100 into 10 power 3 meter by second. So you have to substitute here. Don't write the SI unit, only for the values. 100 into 10 power minus 3 minus U value 50 into 10 power 3. Okay, divided by A value is only 1. Okay, don't write the units, only numbers. Okay, only write the magnitudes. 1. So here also 10 power 3, here also 10 power 3. So you have to write only one 10 power 3 common. Okay, 100 here minus 50. So 100 minus 50 multiplication of 2 10 power 3. Okay, multiplication of 2 10 power 3. Just take one common 10 power 3 here. This is clear to the children? Yeah, divided by 1. So here 100 minus 50, how much? 50 into 10 power 3. You know, this is your answer, children. Okay, divided by 1. So you 50 divided by 1 also. Yes, 50 that is the correct answer. So T is equal to 50 into 10 power 3. So you know, children, as a unit of time, second. Yes, that's very important, children. So you write the seconds. This is clear to children. It's very, very important. A 5-mark problem, children. You just explain the formula also. Okay, you write the formulas in left side, right side. Okay, and they have to substitute the values. Finally, you get the answer is what? Time. T is equal to 50 into 10 power 3 seconds. This is clear to children. Yeah. I'll give you the 3 numerical problems over, children. Yeah. Go through the 3 numerical problems. Have any doubt, ask in the next class. Okay. Okay, children. Today's class is over, children. I'll give you 3 problems. Okay, next class we will see the new lesson, children. So complete this lesson thoroughly, children. Already I'll give you all the 1 marks. Choose everything, children. Question answers and numerical problems also over. Practice in your home. That is your today's homework, children. Complete your assignment. Report in the group without fail before 6 p.m. Okay, without fail. Thank you, children. God bless you.